Add Yahoo Mail to Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome to another video. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can add your Yahoo account in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, in your window, open up your settings application. You can simply search it through the search bar. Now once you open it up, navigate to the left hand side of this interface and from the menu bar, click on this accounts option. Then after, you have to scroll down a bit and under account setting, locate an option that says email and account and then click on that. After that, at the top of this interface, there you'll find a button that says add account on add a new account section. So click on add account. A drop-down box will appear on your interface. From there, you will get a bunch of options to log in with, such as Outlook, Office 365, Google, and under that, you will find Yahoo. So click on Yahoo. That will take you to the login prompt of Yahoo. So in order to log in, first of all, you have to type in your username or email or mobile number that you have used while creating an Yahoo account. So simply type in your username or email or mobile. After that, click on next, and on the next page, you have to enter your password. Make sure you enter your correct password and then simply tap on next, and then your Yahoo account will be added to your Windows 11. Now, if you go back and check email on your Windows 11, open up your mail application. Once you open it up, there you will find that you have been logged in with your Yahoo account in mail in your Windows 11. So that's how you can log in to your Yahoo Mail, or you can add your Yahoo Mail account in Windows 11. That's all for today's video, and I hope that this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for being till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.